Enjoy the wood again. About a year ago, I did a video on the Enjoy the Wood world map that I put up on the wall in my office, and that map is spectacular. I'll put a link to the video I did on it up here. You should absolutely check that out because the craftsmanship and the detail and the quality, everything in that map is spectacular. I couldn't be happier with it, except if I had a bigger wall space to put one of the larger versions of the map to make it that much more spectacular. It's an amazing map, and everyone that's come over to my house and has seen it has given it a bunch of compliments, and a few people have even ordered one because they're so impressed by it. The company themselves, quick background, is from Ukraine. They started as a Kickstarter campaign, and that's how I initially found them. I think I saw a link on Facebook that went to their Kickstarter page, and back then they were mostly just making these world maps, and these maps are done with laser woodcutters, so the detail on them is just, it's super fine, and the way these things fit together, again, it's amazing. So since then, after making some different options of world maps, they have also branched out into some other options, and I have a couple of them here, and I just wanted to throw up a video showing you a couple of the other things that they now have. They have a recipe book, which I don't have because I'm a guy and I don't cook that fancy of stuff. But aside from that, they have also gotten into these icosahedron globes, and they have 4 different options of these: black and brown and blue. They come in a birch plywood or in a corkboard, and the corkboard you could take and you could put pins in them. When I got mine, it was assembled, but now they're coming disassembled and you can assemble them yourselves. They have some videos on their website on how to do it. When I got mine, it seemed pretty light and I wasn't sure how well constructed, like toughness-wise, I wouldn't drop it. But seeing now how they put them together and the stuff that's on the inside and how the pieces fit to each other, it amazes me that much better with the construction of how this thing is made. So I am in love with this thing. It's 7.1 inches tall, 18 centimeters, and it is $74. So check out the options with this icosahedron globe, and they have little stands you can get to mount them on. Now next, when I redid my YouTube room studio here, I had this space back here on the wall that right now I have a helmet from the Blue Coats German Bugle Corps that I was in, and this plant, which for most of the last few videos has been growing out of my head, you can see here. And I thought I needed something kind of to take up this space right here. And when I saw that they came out with city maps, I said that will be perfect. So I got the New York city map. Their city maps, they have 17 different options from cities all over the world. They come in 3 sizes: medium, large, and extra large, 20 by 30, 30 by 45, or 40 by 60 centimeters, or if you are in America, 8 by 12, 12 by 18, or 16 by 24 inches. This is the extra large, the 16 by 24 inches. And I think it's to be a perfect size up here. We'll put up there in just a minute. Prices on the different sizes are $65, $95, and $124, and sometimes you can get some sales on their website, so check those out as well. I'll put a link down below you can check out ordering this thing. The maps, and the globe for that matter, are made of 17mm thick birch plywood, and they layer it in such a way that it gives it this really neat 3D type design. You can see the water around Manhattan is blue, and then the city is brown, and then the other details with it, with Central Park and Lower Manhattan and the bridges and the other boroughs in New Jersey. So it's a really finely detailed map. Down on the bottom has New York, has the coordinates. My only slight nitpick on the front here is that down here, there's a little bit of a line here through the New York, which I'm not sure if that's the grain of the wood or if the laser engraver went just a little bit awry and put some extra lines there. It's a small nitpick, but it is there right through the wood. Up here, there's a knot in the wood, which is just clearly natural, and that's fine. But this down here, I'm not sure if that's natural or an extra line from the engraver. On the back, they do have some mounting brackets so that you can mount it on the wall, which we'll do here. It comes well packaged in a box with some styrofoam, so it's gonna be well protected for the flight over. Let's go ahead and hang this thing now and have a look at it. there you go. Another great piece by Enjoy the Wood. Looks great on the wall, I think. Check out all of their city maps and their world maps and their globes and everything I have. Links down below to their website. Fantastic company, fantastic product. Check them out.